Improving English pronunciation and accent is not that difficult. Just keep in mind a few mistakes while speaking and making common sounds that we use frequently in daily conversation. That is R, A, the, diphthong sounds, stress, aspiration. Now we discuss them, some briefly and some in a little detail. Please note that here we discuss sounds more than letters in the alphabet. Mostly we don't know where R is silent and where it is spoken. So R is silent when it's followed by consonant sounds, for example, P, B, etc. Here R becomes a longer A. Example, work, shirt, hurt, girl. These symbols we shall discuss shortly. And R at the end of a word becomes weak A, shorter A. Worker. R at the end of the word becomes A, and R before the consonant becomes longer A, so it becomes worker. Similarly, farmer. But this last ER at the end of a word is not silent when it's followed by vowel sounds in single words or in running sentences. Example, right, wrong, sorry, arrange. Running, farmer in the field. Even when R is spoken, there is no total blockage of air. Some air is always allowed to leak or pass between tongue and the roof of the mouth. I make this sound R. It's not Hindi Punjabi R. It is R. Next, A is spoken as A in running spoken English. For example, he likes a girl, not a girl. So he likes a girl. Next, the is spoken as the. This is the girl he likes. Aspiration is adding extra air to p, t, k, etc. Example, pot, top, cat. Accent is the speaking style. Example, British, American, French, Italian. When we search for pronunciation of a word in dictionary or Google, when we are in doubt, we see IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet symbol for sounds. Some dictionaries use a few different symbols, but mostly the same. These two oblique rods contain phonetic transcription sounds alphabet written within. Example, hot. Now, quickly, IPA vowel sounds I, E, A, U, O, and Diphthongs A, I, O, ow, ia, ea, ua. In ea, Some dictionaries use capital E, some small e. Triphthongs aw, aya. Consonant sounds p, b, t, d, k, g, ch, j, f, v, th, d, s, z, sh, y, h, m, n, ng, l, r, j, y, w. Though we don't need, but quickly we run through. Linguistics is the study of languages. Phonetics is the study of sounds. Phoneme is the smallest part of sound. Example, e, b, etc. Syllable is the smallest combination of sounds. Example, entertainment. Oral or vocal cavity is the area between the lips and the back of the tongue. Articulation is producing a sound by narrowing or obstruction of the airstream in the oral cavity and then release. Narrowing for vowels and obstruction for consonants. Problem, however, is vowel sounds are more, that is 12, but vowel letters are less, that is 5, a, I, e, o, u. We learned from childhood. So 26 letters in alphabet are not sufficient to produce 44 sounds. There is no letter for some sounds. Example, one A is used for many sounds in a in cat, a in father, a and in standard. Also, more letters are combined consonants. For example, CH in church, SH in ship, TH in thing, TH in the. Now, vowel sounds are produced by narrowing some part of the oral cavity while exhaling air. There is no obstruction of the airstream. Vowel sounds and their symbols. E, as in hit, sit, with, rid, give, kit, bit, minute. Next symbol is E with 2 dots, small I, as in heat, read, wheat, key, need, sheet. You see, different spellings give the same sound, EA, E and double E. Next symbol is A, as in get, set, net, wet, dress, bed, head, thread. Here again you will see E and EA give the same sound. Next symbol is A, as in hat, bat, sat, glad, fat, mat, that, trap, bad. Next symbol A, 2 dots with A, as in father, start, cart, smart, class, last. Symbol U, as in foot, good, would, put, should, would, could. You see different spellings, same sound. Double O, U, OU. Next symbol is U with 2 dots, U, as in to, you, cool, goose, loose, boot, suit, shoot. Again different spellings, same sound. Double O, UI, single O, they give the same sound. Next symbol is O, as in hot, lot, odd, wash, knock, mock, not. Different letters O and A, they give the same sound. Next symbol is O, two dots, reverse C, as in yard, word, warm, thought, north. We mostly mispronounce them as north and thought. They are in fact thought, north. Next symbol is as in hut, cut, but, mud, love, blood. Here again you will see U, O and double O give the same sound. Next symbol is as in nurse, girl, burn, learn, work, refer, stir. So here you see IR, ER, OR, EAR, UR, IR, they produce the same sound. Last vowel is weak, about, common, worker, standard. So AR, ER, O and AU, they produce the same sound. Next, consonant sounds are produced by some obstruction of the air stream in the oral cavity, and then this air is released. Consonant symbols and sounds easy to produce are P, B, T, D, K, G, S, Z, H, M, N, L, R. In some differently produced consonants, F, V, W, H, air is not stopped fully but allowed to leak, allowed to pass. You look at me how I produce these sounds. F, W, W, H. Lips are rounded for W and air is not stopped. But some difficult symbols are Ch. This symbol comes in combination with two letters, one English T, another S with elongated neck, as in church, match, nature. Next symbol is D and Y, as in judge, age, soldier. They come in combination. Next consonant symbol is Th, as in thing, author, path. Next symbol is The, as in this, that, the, there. Next symbol is Sh, as in ship, shore, national. Next symbol is Y. This of course looks like Z, but the sound is different. This is neither Y nor J, rather a combination. Y. You look at me how I produce this sound. Y. Example, as in pleasure. Look at me, pleasure. Vision, usual, measure, treasure, casual, occasion, visual. Next symbol is N, as in ring, anger, thanks, sung. Last consonant is Y, as in yet, use, beauty, few. Now diphthongs are sounds starting with one vowel sound and ending with another vowel sound. They lend charm to your English if you use them. Example: A as in face, day, break. Next symbol is I as in price, high, try, dry. Next symbol O as in toy, choice, boy. Next symbol OU as in goat, show, no. Next OW as in now, mouth, how. Next symbol ear as in near, here, where. Next symbol air. Some dictionaries use capital E, some smaller e, as in fair, scare, various. Last S ua as in poor, jewelry, cure. Now triphthongs are sounds starting with one vowel sound, continuing into second vowel sound and ending with third vowel sound. Example: hour as in hour, soured, flowered, flowered. Spellings different, pronunciation same. Next is higher as in society, higher, fire. Another symbol we find is comma at the top of a word is called primary stress. That is used before syllable to be stressed while speaking. Syllable is a part of a word when the word is a longer one. It changes the meaning of the word and pronunciation. Example: if we place stress at the beginning, primary stress at the beginning, then the pronunciation is object and the meaning is a noun, goats you meant to say. And if we place the primary stress at the second syllable or the second part of the word ject, then it becomes abject. That means to object. This is a verb. So one noun, another verb. So stress changes the meaning. Similarly, if we use stress in running sentences, that lends charm to the spoken English. Some words in a sentence need some stress. They are more important in a sentence. So in longer words, a secondary stress is needed. That is a comma at the bottom for lesser stress. For example, in longer words, this word has 3 syllables, 3 parts you may say. This is spoken like this: democratization. Primary stress is on zation and secondary is on mocracy. So the pronunciation is democratization. Sufficient. Good luck. Keep consulting Google, Oxford Dictionary, and listen to English news, BBC, CNN, Discovery. Thank you so much.